Hello guys, welcome back to Royal Courses. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really simple and efficient web page using Google Sites. Google Sites is an online and free tool for making websites and web pages without any coding. Okay, so let's start. The first thing we want to do is put the title here. My title will be My Simple Web Page. In the left corner, we have enter site name, and I'm gonna call it My Cool Web Page. You can also add logo by clicking the Add Logo option, and you can add your own logo or buy it from the internet. Now we're gonna change the image. I'm gonna choose this one, and you can see how cool it looks. You can also put type of header, you can put cover, large banner, or title only. On our right side we have this toolbar with a lot of cool tools and features. I'm gonna go with this one now. I'm gonna choose my theme simple in green color and the font style is classic. The next thing I want to do for my web page is put layout. The layout I want to put is this one. I'm gonna choose picture to put it. Okay, and we're gonna delete this text box. I want to put collapsible text, and you will see it when I finish this web page. I want to put it, let's say here, or I will put it here. It's even better. I'm gonna call it forest, and the text box will be filled with this text. So when you put it down, you can see it comes down or up. On our left side, we have section background, and I'm gonna go with emphasis, just to put the green color because it goes with the forest and nature. Next thing I want to put is this image carousel, and you put it when you want to make a slideshow of some pictures. You must have at least 2 images to make this carousel, and I'm gonna choose this one, and this one. We're gonna click insert, and then we have this image carousel. Now I'm gonna put the other color in section background, and it looks really good. If you want, you can also move it around, as you can see, wherever you want. So the next thing we want to put on our web page is a divider. Divider is a tool that we use to divide different segments of our web page or a website. So I'm just gonna put it down there and under this part of our web page because it looks better. Now we're gonna put another layout right here, and I'm just gonna go to layout, insert, and I'm just gonna put this with 3 images. I'm gonna change the color, as you already know, and put the images in. You can see how good it looks. So I made my home page, and I have a lot of other options if I want to make it more complex, like table of contents. You use it to put the content on your page. Button, you put button to take you to another page, YouTube link, or some other websites. You have placeholder to add different links, to add pictures. And now you have YouTube for YouTube videos, calendar for different dates, map, docs, slides, sheets, forms, and charts. The next thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna put another page. So I made my home page, but I want another page just to put more content on it. I'm just gonna go click new page. I'm gonna name it Types of Forests. Okay, now we're just gonna go to insert, add another layout or whatever you want to add. I will go with this one. And now I will put this picture and this one, but I will delete one of these text boxes and I'm just gonna move this one right here. Okay, now you can add your text if you want here, or you can move it to the next sequence, like here maybe. Okay, just to make it a bit colorful, we're gonna put emphasis and we're gonna change the color of our text. You select it and you have this toolbar here. I'm just gonna go with text color and I will choose black because it looks the best. Now that we finished our home page and our second page, I'm gonna show you these tools right here. We have undo and redo action. We have this preview mode, so you can see how your page would look when you publish it. We have phone version, as you can see. We have tablet version and we have desktop version. Now you can see this is the second page, and we go to home page. We have this collapsible text. We have image carousel, and it looks really good. We also have this search bar here, but it's unavailable in preview mode. When we leave this preview mode, we have three options here. We have copy link. I can't use it right now because my page isn't published, but I will show you how to publish it. You can add people and share it with others, so just those people you share the link with, they can see your page. And you have settings here. You have navigation, how you want the text to be put, brand images, view tools, custom links, domains, analytics, and announcement banner. We have these three dots. You can see version history. You can duplicate site or report a problem. Now we're gonna click this publish option. Web address will be my cool web page. And we have search settings, request public search engines to not display my site. I won't check this box. I'm just gonna click publish. And now my page is published, so I can share it with others. I hope you liked this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to Royal Courses.